Right now, somewhere in your body, a silent war is being fought inside your knee. Over 500 million people worldwide live with it. Most of them were never told what is actually happening inside.
This is not just wear and tear. This is a biological cascade, and it starts decades before your first symptom. In 2025, Stanford scientists made a discovery that could make knee replacements obsolete. By the end of this video, you will understand your knee better than most people who have suffered with it for years. But first, we need to go inside the knee, all the way inside. A healthy knee is one of nature's most elegant machines. 3 bones, a handful of ligaments, one miraculous fluid. Covering every bone surface is articular cartilage, smoother than glass, stronger than any material humans have ever engineered. Inside this cartilage, chondrocytes work in near total isolation. No blood supply, no nerves, fed only by the fluid around them. That fluid is synovial fluid, a biological lubricant so advanced, no laboratory has ever replicated it. When you walk, this fluid thins to let you glide. When you rest, it thickens to cushion and protect. This property is called thixotropy. Your knee is self-lubricating on demand, and most people never think about it. Now here is where the story changes. Knee osteoarthritis does not begin with pain. It begins with a molecular signal. Chondrocytes, the cells that build cartilage, start releasing enzymes that destroy it. These enzymes are called matrix metalloproteinases. They are the biological scissors that cut cartilage apart from the inside. Stage 1 looks normal on an X-ray, but inside, the biochemistry has already shifted. By stage 2, the cartilage surface begins to fray. Small fragments break off into the synovial fluid. The body detects these fragments, and it does what it always does when it senses danger. It inflames. But here is the tragedy. That inflammation damages the very cartilage it was meant to protect. A feedback loop has begun. Inflammation destroys cartilage. Cartilage fragments trigger more inflammation. At stage 3, the joint space narrows. Bone starts rubbing against bone. The bone itself changes. It grows defensive spurs, called osteophytes, desperate to stabilize the failing joint. By stage 4, the cartilage is almost gone. What remains is exposed bone, grinding, inflamed, and agonizing. Now, let us talk about pain, because knee OA pain is more complex than most people and many doctors realize. The knee joint itself has no pain receptors in cartilage. So, how do you feel it? The inflammation reaches the synovium, the bone, the capsule. Every structure except the cartilage is wired for pain. A neuropeptide called substance P is released. It amplifies pain signals in ways that outlast the original injury. This is called central sensitization. Your nervous system learns pain and keeps feeling it even when the damage.
So who gets knee osteoarthritis? The answer will surprise you. Age is the biggest factor, but it is not inevitable. 1 in 4 people over 55 will develop it, but many do not. Obesity is the most modifiable risk factor. Every kilogram of extra weight adds 4 kilograms of force to your knee. Previous injury, especially ACL tears, dramatically accelerates cartilage loss. Half of people with ACL injuries develop OA within 15 years. And emerging science is now linking gut health, genetics, and even sleep to how fast your cartilage deteriorates. What can you actually do? Let us be honest about what works and what does not. Exercise is not your enemy.
It is your best medicine. Specific strengthening of the quadriceps reduces pain and slows progression. Weight loss is the single most impactful intervention for overweight patients. Even a 10% reduction in body weight reduces knee pain by over 50%.
Hyaluronic acid injections and platelet-rich plasma show promise, but evidence remains mixed. Total knee replacement, when needed, remains one of medicine's most successful surgeries, with 90% long-term satisfaction.
But now, here is what nobody is telling you. Science is on the verge of changing everything. In November 2025, Stanford scientists published a landmark study. They discovered a protein, 15-PGDH, that acts as a biological brake on cartilage repair. When they blocked this protein in aged mice, cartilage began to regrow without stem cells, without surgery. The same experiment worked on human tissue samples taken from knee replacement patients, showing clear regeneration. ARPA-H, the advanced research arm of U.S. Health, has launched the NITRO program to develop living tissue knee implants. Exosomes, nano-sized cellular messengers, are being engineered to carry healing signals directly into damaged cartilage. And semaglutide, the GLP-1 drug used for weight loss, showed dramatic pain reduction in knee OA patients, potentially modifying the disease itself. The dream of a world where knee replacements are no longer needed is no longer science fiction. Your knee is not just a hinge. It is a living, breathing ecosystem, and it deserves to be understood. If you are living with knee pain or want to protect your knees, this knowledge is where prevention begins. If this video gave you something valuable, hit like. It tells us to make more science like this. Subscribe and ring that bell. Next week, we are going inside the human spine, and the story is even more remarkable.